So I live in California and we just got news today that everything is going to be closing once again starting tomorrow, lockdown V2, and that means a couple things. One, I can't go to the gym anymore, and two, a lot of people are going to be without their jobs. So I figured now is a great time to make a video covering 8 different ways you can make money at home, online, with very little to no money to start with. I'm going to get straight to the point in this video. I'm going to cut out all the fluff, so this video is going to be very jam-packed, full of great ideas. That being said, I'm not just going to list 8 different money-making ideas, point you in that direction and say good luck. I'm going to break down these different methods, give you guys some great examples and ideas, hopefully will help you out when it comes to deciding which route you want to take, which option you want to choose, and will hopefully spark some great ideas in your mind for when it comes to making money online. So that's what this video is all about. Let's get right into it. I also want to include, if you guys think of any great methods that I do not mention in this video, leave a comment down below. I know I have some very creative subscribers who have some really good ideas, and the comment section is an amazing place to help somebody else out. So if you're watching this video and you want even more ways to make money, scroll down into the comment section at any time in this video and check out what other people are having to say, and you guys can conversate and give out some great ideas, because that's what it's all about. Anyways, before I get into this video, you guys know, or maybe you don't if you're new to this channel, hi, I'm Baird. I give away 1 free consulting call every single video. It's a free 30-minute consulting call. We can talk about anything you want, and I do it every single video. So last video's consulting call winner is Alayu Ibrahim. You commented ecom, hope you get this and consider. I consider you the winner of last video's challenge, so message me on Instagram right here at Baird Strudwick with your name, number, and a time you'd like to talk, and we will set up a call and talk about whatever you want. Guys, if you want to win a free consulting call, all you have to do is 1, be subscribed, 2, like this video, and 3, comment ecom, E-C-O-M, down in the comments below, and you are entered to win a free 30-minute consulting call. Now that we've covered that, let's get right on into it. These are 8 different ways you can make money online in 2020 with little to no money to start with. And guys, just so you know, I'm not going to say anything about surveys in this video. Don't do surveys. If you want to make money online, a lot of people think you can make money from surveys. You can't. If you want to make like $2 a day, do surveys online and just click random things. As enticing as they seem, or as many weird ads you see, people making thousands of dollars doing surveys, just swipe up now. Don't do that. You're not going to make money doing surveys, and you'll be much better off choosing one of these actual money-making methods that I'm going to talk about in this video. Method number 1. This is going to be selling any unwanted junk or anything laying around in your house that you just don't need anymore. I know I'm in my office right now. I've been in this apartment for maybe 6 months so far, and I can already see things that I just never use that I can sell for a good chunk of change. So if you live in your house with your parents still, or if you have your own apartment, or wherever you live, walk around your place, do a full loop, and see if there's anything laying around that you know you can sell for a good chunk of change. Maybe you just don't use it anymore, it doesn't have any sentimental value, you don't need it, or you want to get rid of it, whatever reason, those are all things that you can make a good amount of money from. You know, if you're a surfer and you have 7 surfboards and you have 1 surfboard that you just haven't used in like a year, it's not special to you anymore, you don't need it, you never use it, sell it. Maybe it's worth $200, $250. You can make a quick chunk of change off that, just off stuff you don't use anymore. Maybe you've got an extra camera laying around you just never use, sell it. Get an extra skateboard, sell it. Extra clothing you just never use. I know a lot of girls who resell their clothing on, I think the app's called Depop. It's really popular, and they make a good amount of money for their used clothing because they just never use it. A lot of girls just buy clothing, wear it once, and then never wear it again. And they can sell it for a good amount of money. So just walk around your house, find anything you can resell, and sell it. It's that simple. And that will give you a good amount of money to hopefully start reselling things, which leads us into method number 2, which is reselling apps. Apps like OfferUp, apps like LetGo, apps like Depop, like I just mentioned, websites like Facebook Marketplace, like Craigslist. There are so many different great platforms out there that allow you to resell items for pretty much no cost at all. So like I was saying, if I had a extra surfboard that I was just never using, I could sell it on that app. Or if I saw a surfboard and I knew that surfboard could be sold for a higher price, maybe it's underpriced, or for whatever reason, they just want to get rid of it at a lower price, I can buy that surfboard and then resell it for a little bit of profit. Now, I'll give you guys some examples and some ideas. So let's just say you are really good with fashion. You have a really good fashion sense. You know what looks good, what doesn't look good. You know all the good brands, all the bad brands. You know what people are buying. You know your clothing, all right? You could walk into a thrift store, go through the thrift store, and find pieces of clothing that are just really underpriced that you know you could sell for a profit. Maybe you find a polo shirt that's $5, or you find a Supreme shirt that's like $20. You can sell that for a good chunk of change. I've seen that happen so many times. I have friends who are really into that kind of stuff. Really anything they know that they can resell, they do it, and they make a lot of money. So go into thrift stores, find things you can resell, look for those hidden gems. I bought some Adidas shoes like 2 years ago off a thrift store in Los Angeles for like $10. Some really nice blue Adidas running shoes, and I still use them to this day. And they only cost me $10, and they're practically brand new, when I could have gone online and bought them for $70 brand new. And if I wanted to, and if I didn't want to use them, I could go ahead and sell them for like 30, 40 bucks and make an easy 40 bucks in a couple of hours. Another piece of advice I can give you is sell something you're knowledgeable in. So for example, I really like to surf, so I know which surfboards are good and which surfboards are not good. So if I see a surfboard that's priced a lot under what it should really be priced at, then I'll go ahead and buy it and then list it for a higher price. If I knew a lot about golf, I'd go on OfferUp or on these different apps like LetGo and Facebook Marketplace and look for really good deals for golfing equipment. If you're a hype beast, then reselling hype clothing is a perfect way to make a lot of money. I'm actually gonna go ahead and list a whole bunch of really good apps and websites and places you can go and buy and resell items. So right here. All right, moving on into money making method number 3, that is Upwork. Upwork.com is an amazing freelance website that allows you to list your services for sale pretty much. So let's just say you are great at editing videos. I know a lot of people who do YouTube in specific who are looking for video editors. Maybe you're great at sitting in front of a camera and talking to it, but when it comes to actually editing a video, you just don't know how to edit the video. So if you know how to edit videos, you could list your services on Upwork for 20 bucks an hour, 30 bucks an hour just for editing videos. And next thing you know, maybe you're editing one video a day, it takes you 3 hours, and you're making 60 bucks a day just editing a video. You're having fun doing something you enjoy doing that you're good at, and you're making money from it. It's just a win-win. Now, another example would be editing photos. A lot of people are really good at taking photos, but when it comes to editing them and getting the perfect lighting and angles and all that kind of stuff, they just don't know how to do it. I know that I can't edit a photo for the life of me. I just go on Instagram and I'll pick one of the filters. I mean, I won't do that, but I just don't know how to edit a photo nearly as well as any of my friends. So if you know how to edit photos and you're really good at that, one thing you could do is list your services on Upwork for maybe $5 a photo. You know, maybe you're somebody's photo editor. You list your services for $5 a photo, $10 a photo. And next thing you know, you've edited 5, 10, 15 photos, and you've made like 50 to 100 bucks just for editing photos. And it might not even feel like work because that's what you enjoy doing. So there are many services you can list on Upwork. You know, just think about whatever you're good at. Maybe you have really good customer service skills, so you could be a virtual assistant for multiple stores or multiple people at the same time. You could do voiceovers for videos. You could write captions for videos. Maybe you're great at making websites. You could be a web designer and charge X amount of money to make somebody a website. You can pretty much offer any service you want on Upwork.com. So just think about what you're good at and list it for sale. It's as simple as that. And the cool thing about Upwork is the more positive reviews you get, the more business you get. It snowballs in a great way. So if you get one person and they're happy, they give you 5 stars, that'll give you a much better chance at finding another person who's looking to have their photos edited. And next thing you know, you've got 10 5-star reviews, and now you're ranking higher and higher on Upwork. So when people are actually looking for a photo editor, your name pops up first, and it just snowballs and snowballs, and you end up making a lot of money. I have paid virtual assistants tens of thousands of dollars on Upwork alone just for being a virtual assistant, answering emails, customer support. I mean, that's pretty much it. Just literally answering emails and customer support. Really, once again, think about what you're good at and think about what you're comfortable doing. All right, moving into money making method number 4. Number 4 is YouTube. Now, this is a long-term money making method. This is not just a quick make a buck thing. YouTube is definitely long-term. I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. It takes a little bit of time to start making money off YouTube. A lot of people don't know you can make money on YouTube, or actually maybe a good amount of you hopefully do know you can make money on YouTube. But you can make a decent amount of money off YouTube. YouTube changed the rules so that not just anyone can make money. You need to have a couple things checked off before you can start getting your channel monetized. So 1 is you need to have 4,000 hours of watch time, and 2 is you need 1,000 subscribers. Once you have those 2 things checked off, you can start making money off YouTube. And it is an amazing long-term source of income. All right, so this is a video I posted 3 years ago. It's a video of me tearing my ACL. Not my favorite video, but definitely got a lot of views. You guys can see right here, 1.6 million views. April 28th, 2017, that's over 3 years ago. Let me show you guys some analytics on it. Now check this out. I can't show you guys exactly how much money I made from it because I'm pretty sure it's against YouTube's guidelines, but I posted this video in 2017. It barely got any views, a couple thousand views. It probably got like 20,000 views the first week or so, and it didn't get a lot of views for the longest time. I had my surgery right about here, and then all of a sudden during the middle of summer, it just started popping off, getting a whole bunch of random views out of the blue. I wasn't really posting that much on YouTube. It just started getting views. And then you guys can see right here, nothing really crazy, 100 videos or so a day, 100 views a day or so, 100 views a day for almost 2 years. Not a lot of views. It popped off again in 2019. Not a lot of views, not a lot of views, not a lot of views. And then all of a sudden, 2.5 years later, in the middle of the winter time, it started getting 30,000 views a day, 40,000 views a day, literally out of the blue. 43,000 views last December. Now consistently just gets a couple thousand views a day, but I'm making money every single day off of this one video. In the last 365 days, it's got 1.3 million views, which is so random. Random videos will pop off and random videos will consistently be getting views. This video could pop off again in 5 years, who knows, and I could be making even more money off that. But that just goes to show you that you can make money consistently with YouTube, and it's passive income. Once you post a video once, as long as it's monetized and as long as it's on YouTube, you will consistently make money off that video for the rest of your life, as long as you continue to get views. And there are ways to make money off YouTube that just don't require you sitting in front of a camera like what I'm doing. You can make money off YouTube by not ever showing your face or talking in front of a camera. There are so many channels out there that you guys have probably seen before, like these compilation channels that post like TikTok compilations or sports compilations or any kind of compilations, or you've probably seen those Reddit videos where they just literally take lines from Reddit and then have like a robot voice over all the text, and they make pretty good money. Now, some of you guys might be thinking, oh, I can't make money off a compilation channel, that's not my content, it'll get copyright strike, blah, 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 blah. And that might be the case for some channels, but what you can do is, if these channels are getting views, although maybe yes, some of them are copyrighted for music or whatever, they get copyright claims so they can't monetize their videos and make money off of YouTube ads, you can still make money off of paid sponsorships, off of promoting other products in your videos. Let's just say that video gets 1 million views. Those are still 1 million people that can see whatever product you want to promote. So maybe I'm selling a product and I just add a little ad in that YouTube video. That's just free traffic, and free traffic is free money. You can run affiliate links. You can run brand deals. You can do Shopify products. You can have your own Shopify store and sell your own products on your YouTube channel. YouTube is an amazing way to make money, and a lot of people aren't doing it because they just don't think it's possible. It'll take too long, but it's a long-term way to make money. And trust me, once you start making money on YouTube, you just won't want to stop because it's truly passive income. Once you post a YouTube video, it's out there. As long as it keeps getting views, you're still making money. Now, money-making method number 5 is ClickBank, clickbank.com. This is affiliate marketing 101. ClickBank.com has hundreds of thousands of different offers, and you can go ahead and promote each one of these offers for a commission. So if you find a good offer and you get somebody to buy that, you make a % commission off of each sale. So maybe it's 10%, maybe it's 50%. Some of these offers are really, really good. Scroll through ClickBank, see what's being sold, see what's for sale, see what offers there are, and then pick and choose which offer you want to promote. A lot of these different offers have like 50% plus commission. So if you sell something, you get over half the price, and there's zero overhead. So this doesn't cost you anything at all. You can go ahead, talk to your friends, post on Instagram, post on Facebook, different groups. Let's just say you see a fitness program being sold on ClickBank for $100 with a 50% commission. You make $50 each time somebody goes ahead and buys that one program. So I could go onto Facebook, find fitness Facebook groups, and then go ahead and post this one fitness program. I could post it on Instagram. I could tell my friends all about it. And each time somebody purchases this program, I make $50, and I make a really good commission off of each sale. So that's how ClickBank works. Affiliate marketing, like I said, affiliate marketing 101. Promote somebody else's product and make a big % of each sale. Money-making method number 6 is Fiverr.com. Fiverr.com is another freelance website similar to Upwork.com, except the difference between Fiverr and Upwork is a lot more long-term work. So let's just say I want to find one person to edit my videos over the next 6 months. That's when I'd go to Upwork and I'd look for a video editor. It's much more long-term work. It doesn't have to be long-term work. It could be a month, it could be a week. Now let's just say I'm really good at making logos. I'm a great graphic designer and I can make logos like that. I would go on Fiverr and I would list my services for logo design for $40, $50, $60 per logo. And people will pay me per each logo I create. So Fiverr is more of a one-time thing, single quick project, which is an amazing way to make quick money. It could be one video instead of editing videos over a long period of time. It could be editing photos, it could be creating infographics, it could be annotating videos, it could be copywriting, it could be voiceovers, it could be designing websites, it could be anything basically that you can do on Upwork, you can do on Fiverr. It's a freelance website. So think about what you're good at and what you have to offer, and then just list it for sale. And Fiverr is the same way as Upwork is. The more positive reviews you get, the more you snowball, and the more orders you actually get, the more people reach out to you asking for your service. All right, money-making method number 7 is my favorite, dropshipping. And what dropshipping is basically finding a product on AliExpress or on any other website, making your own website, and then listing it for sale at a higher price, a marked up price. And then whenever somebody comes and buys that product off of your website, you go ahead and place that order for the lower price, for the wholesale price from your supplier, from AliExpress, whatever website you're buying it from, and then ship it directly from the warehouse to the customer. You don't have to touch the product, you don't have to have inventory, you don't have to have any of that, and you get to keep the difference. Find this sailboat for $5 on AliExpress, listed on my website for $20, buys this off my website. I'll then go ahead on AliExpress, place an order for $5, ship it directly from AliExpress to the customer, and I gotta keep $15. Now, you guys might be thinking, oh, I have to spend money on ads, I have to spend money on this and spend money on that. That's not really always the case. You can use some of these methods in conjunction with each other to make even more money. So let's just say I have a YouTube channel that's getting a lot of views and I'm making money off that YouTube channel. What I could do is I could list my products on that YouTube channel. So let's just say there's a compilation channel I have going on and it's getting 1 million views per video. I could go ahead and post like a little 30, 45 second video clip in that one YouTube video promoting this one product. It doesn't cost me anything. As long as that video gets views, that's free traffic to the website, and that could be free sales. If I had a meme page, for example, on Instagram, I could then go ahead and promote my products on my meme page for free, and if somebody buys it, it's just straight profit. So there are ways of going about selling things on Shopify without paying for ads or anything like that. Another really good thing you could do is reach out to influencers and say, hey, instead of paying you an upfront amount of cash for a post, I'm willing to give you 50% profits of each sale, and we'll do a revenue share. So you have a $20 product, you make $10 for each sale, you sell 100 pieces, you make $1,000, and you give the influencer $500, and now you're left with $500 straight profit because they posted your ad for you for a percentage of each sale. It's kind of like ClickBank. You find someone to promote your product and you give them a commission for each sale. Except in this scenario, you are the one with the product. It's your product, and the influencers are the affiliates promoting your product. So there are tons of different methods you can get free traffic to your store. I actually made a video all about this free traffic method, so if you're interested, it'll either be a link up above or down below in the description. Check that out. All right, last money making method number 8. This is odd jobs. Now, I'm not talking about this guy. I'm talking about any kind of jobs that might be listed in your local newspaper, on Craigslist, or on your local Facebook page, anything like that. There are so many different options out there and so many different opportunities out there for you to make a quick buck. So it could be mowing lawns, it could be raking leaves, it could be moving boxes up and down the stairs if somebody's moving out of their house. It could be painting windows. It could be painting anything. It could be walking somebody's dog. It could be babysitting. It could be caretaking. It could be housekeeping. It could be cleaning. It could be, there's so many different things you can do that are just odd jobs that you'll make a quick buck really fast, and a lot of these services are offered online, especially on Craigslist being the biggest one. Now, keep in mind, if I was a young teenager, be very careful being on Craigslist. I have to say that now. Be very careful on Craigslist. There are bad people on there and there are good people on there. And you can find some really good ways to make a good amount of money legally and safely. But I just would be very careful out there with Craigslist, because on any website, there's always some creeps, and Craigslist has been known for having some creepers on there. It's also been known for having really good deals and really good offers. So just be very careful, trust your gut. Don't go alone if you're younger to any of these jobs. Go with a friend, go with a parent, go with somebody you trust, go with somebody who will take care of you. Remember to take care of yourself. If you have a bad feeling about something, if your gut's off, don't go to it. If anything rubs you the wrong way, just don't do it. Use your best judgment. Those jobs will always be in demand. And if you're out for the job, then you can make a quick buck. Maybe you're really good at repairing iPhone screens. I know some people who go around in their cars and go to people at like restaurants, or they're at the mall, wherever they are, they go to the person and they fix the phone in the car right then and there. Or if you're at Wendy's, they'll go into Wendy's with you and you can watch them fix your phone literally right in front of you. It takes them about 30 minutes or so, but they can charge $100, $150 per person, because not having a cracked screen is a luxury. So you can make a good amount of money off that. And these people who do fix phones make $600-$700 a day fixing like 7 or 8 phones. And that's only like 4 or 5 hours worth of work. They're making a couple $100 off that every single day, because they're getting paid for what their value is. So guys, that pretty much sums it up for today's video. I went over a whole bunch of different ways you can make money online. If you have any other ideas to make money online, leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear what you have to say. And I'm sure everyone else watching this video would also love to see different great ideas in the comment section down below. So thank you so much for watching. If you're watching this right now at the end, just know I appreciate you. I appreciate you so much. Why don't you hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and like this video if I helped you out at all. So that being said, thank you guys for watching. Once again, I will see you guys and girls in the next video. Be safe, take care, peace out.